Hey kids! Welcome to Curious Kids Galaxy. Today, we're going to learn about some yummy fruits. We'll name them, spell them, and even know how they keep us healthy. Ready? Let's go! This is an apple. Can you say apple? A P P L E apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. They're great for keeping your heart healthy and making your teeth strong. Next, we have a banana. Can you say banana? B A N A N A banana. Bananas are full of energy and are good for your muscles. They also help you stay strong during playtime. Now, here's an orange. Can you say orange? O R A N G E orange. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps you stay healthy and fight off colds. Look at these strawberries. Can you say strawberry? S T R A W B E R R Y strawberry. Strawberries are super sweet and help keep your skin glowing and strong. This is a pineapple. Can you say pineapple? P I N E A P P L E pineapple. Pineapple is great for your digestion and can make your tummy feel good after eating. Here's a watermelon. Can you say watermelon? W A T E R M E L O N watermelon. Watermelons are super juicy and help keep you hydrated, especially on hot days. These are grapes. Can you say grapes? G R A P E S grapes. Grapes are a fun, bite-sized snack. They're great for your heart and give you energy. Next up, we have a mango. Can you say mango? M A N G O mango. Mangoes are sweet and full of vitamins that help your eyes stay healthy. This is a kiwi. Can you say kiwi? K I W I kiwi. Kiwis are small but mighty. They're packed with vitamin C and help boost your immune system. Finally, we have blueberries. Can you say blueberry? B L U E B E R R Y blueberry. Blueberries are super healthy and are great for your brain. They help you stay sharp and focused. Great job, kids! You've learned about apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. Remember, fruits are not only tasty, but they also help keep you healthy and strong. Keep eating your fruits and have a fruity day. See you next time, Curious Kid. Bye!